Hello, this is a video tour of 1719 19th Avenue. You enter the building and there is a nice big foyer which takes you to the stairway going up. There is first come first serve bike storage. On this level there is shared laundry in the garage and a possibility of one car parking available to rent. Okay, so we're going to walk up to the top level, unit number 4, and you walk into this nice light-filled unit. Immediately to the left is a full bathroom. There is a bathtub and shower combination, gas heating for this apartment, and here is the bedroom. Good-sized bedroom located off the street, so it is very quiet, and you do have heater vents in here as well. Nice big closet that goes all the way back. There is carpeting in the bedroom and laminate wood floors in the common areas. This is a beautiful space here. You have a living room, nice big closet in the living room, dining room, and this part of the apartment does face the street, but the bedroom is off the street, so it is very quiet in the bedroom. Okay, range, refrigerator, stone counters. There's also plenty of space for a little table in the kitchen. And there you go. If you're interested in this lovely space, please go to rentalsnsf.com. Thanks. Bye-bye.